Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to another amazing episode of the Decor Diary. Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen with designs that feel like a dream and work like a pro space? From jaw dropping cabinets, colors to smart layouts that maximize every inch, these 2025 kitchen design trends are all about luxury, function, and timeless beauty. And wait till you see trends, it's total game changer for a small kitchen. Stay tuned. You are about to get inspired like never before. Whether you are planning a full kitchen remodel or just looking for a trendy touches, this video is packed with the latest in modern cabinetry, smart lighting, sleek layouts, and stunning finishes that make your kitchen the heart of the home. Plus, I'll share you a bonus tips at the end that can save you thousands of rupees without compromising on style. Let's dive into the top kitchen design trends of 2025. First up, space smart layouts. Open plan kitchens are evolving into zoned space with islands that doubled as prep stations, breakfast bars, and even charging hubs. Many homeowners are now adding pulled out pantries, corner drawers, and ingredient appliances to reduce clutter and increase efficiency. Want a clean look with everything with reach? This is your go to trend. Say bye bye to all white kitchens. Bold, moody colors are in deep navy, forest green, matte black, and even burgundy cabinets are stealing the spotlights in 2025. Paired with gold or brass hardware, they add instant drama and high end luxury. Any kitchens, don't be afraid to go bold with lower cabinet while keeping neutral. It's a stylish balance. This year's is all about mixing material like never before. Think wood, stone matte finishes, glossy ancients, or metal mesh inserts on cabinet doors, texture, backsplashed, floated cabinets front, and neutral grains countertops are trending across modern home. These combinations create a warm, inviting space that feels fresh and controppy. Love a sleek, clutter-free kitchen? This one for you. Handle-less cabinetry, push to open, drawer, and under cabinet lighting create a seamless modern look. Even appliances are becoming more invisible with plain ready fridge and bullet-in oven that blend bright into your cabinetry. It clean, chic, and oh so satisfying. Open shelves are not new, but 2025 is giving them a twist. People are now using floating shelves with integrated LED strips, sleek marble base, or even reclaimed wood for an earthy touch. Style your shelves with greenery, cookbooks, and statement ceramics for a lived-in designer look. And here's a tips: don't overload them. Less is more with these trends. This one's a favorite: how to make a small kitchen look and feel big. Try glass cabinet doors, high gloss, backsplash to reflect light, and vertical storage with tall pantry units. Another smart move: use one color tones for wall, cabinet, and floor. It creates the illusion of a large space. If you have a small kitchen, these trends alone can transform. Before we wrap up, here's a secret: luxury does not have to be expensive. You can get that designer kitchen look with lamplight countertop that mimics marble, cabinets with matte finish and affordable peel and sick backsplash. Mix high-end feature with budget buy to create your dream kitchen without overspending. There you have 8 the topic kitchen design trends. 2025 the bring beauty, brain and balance to your home. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Decor Diary for more daily home decors inspiration.